It was in 1983, 10 days from the day of my birth. He made a new company named Shankar Co. He started his business in selling papers as a dealer, and also he moved into inner cards, making bottom boxes. We had a Terril machine. We are printing it entirely manual printing machines. So we have developed it from manual printing machine to an used Komori machine by 2006. So then after we have got a good production capacity, we have got more orders from this machine, and since the machine was so user friendly, we plan to go for a new machine on 2025. So, and we have got the new machine also now, and the production is going good and well. So when we go plan for a new machine, I suggested my dad to go for a Komori machine, and I insisted him to go with it. So we asked Mr. Chakrapani to come. So we discussed everything, and we go for a advanced machine in Komori, which is going good and great now. Previously, we had a Komori L640, which is an older machine. We were using it for like 10 years. It was so good and precise in printing. So for printing needs and precise printing technology, we are planned to go for a new machine with the same Komori, which has the latest technologies built with that, and which is the reason made us to invest in this machine. The new Komori GL640 advanced machine we have bought is equipped with PDC A6, which makes our job easier to make ready for easier color corrections, for easier production timing. So we plan to go with this machine immediately after the first visit of our Komori representative. This machine has a feature like non-stop feeder and delivery, which makes our runtime easier without stopping the machine continuously, which gives us more production and the ability to print papers easily without wasting time in loading and deloading the papers. About a year back, when we planned to go for a new machine, we approached Mr. Pratap regarding buying a new machine. So he was there on the next day with Mr. Chakrapani. We had a huge discussion for a day, and we finalized the machine on the same day itself. From the day we finalized the machine, we got every updates through mail and through call from both Mr. Pratap and Mr. Chakrapani regarding the machine booking, the status of the machine, what's the process going on, when will the machine be ready to us, so when are the payments to be done. Everything was being updated instantly, and we were also getting updates from their team regarding the structures we need for placing the machine. They were visited us regularly, and they inspected the building. Everything they did on precise time, and before the machine comes, a person arrived here to check where the machine is being placed, and he requested few changes, and the changes has been done. So when the day one machine arrived, they were a group of members who were assisting us to unload the machine. Everything they handled it perfectly. From the day they unloaded the machine, it just took 10 days for us to run the machine actually. They made it in a short term and in a precise way. It was very wonderful experience to see that happen in a short term. We are so glad to have a partnership with Komori, and it was truly a good time. Whenever we need a service support, Komori gets it done immediately without making us to wait for a day or two, which is extremely special with their team. The machine performance was so good. We have a running speed of minimum 15,000 sheets per hour, which gives us good production capacity, which we can take any number of orders and we can print it on 24 hours. We can deliver it to the customer easily. So the main focus for for a Komori machine is like we have everything in hand which we can deliver it to the customer whenever they request. Present, we are only in garment packaging sector. We are expanding ourselves into food packaging and also in pharma. So we have a plan to go with a large production scale, and we wish this Komori machine will support our production capacity to the entire process. If this thing goes, we'll plan for a new machine also in few years.